you were there with me. We walked upon the streets of gold beside the crystal sea. We heard the angels singing, and someone called your name. We turned to the young man, he was smiling as he came. And he said, friend, you may have known me now. And then he said, wait, you used to teach my Sunday school when I was only 8. And every week you would say a prayer before the class would start. And one day when you said a prayer, I asked Jesus in my heart. Thank you for giving to the Lord. I am alive, that was changed. Thank you for giving to the Lord. I am so glad you came. Another man stood before me. He said, remember the time a missionary came to your church, and his pictures make you cry. You didn't have much money, but you gave it anyway. Jesus took the gift you gave, and that's why I'm here today. Thank you for giving to the Lord. 'Cause I am alive, it was changed. Thank you for giving to the Lord. I'm so glad you came. One by one they came, far as your eyes could see. Each life somehow you touched by your generosity. Little things that you had done, sacrifices you made. David remedies on the earth, heaven now proclaims. I know that up in heaven you're not supposed to cry, but I'm almost sure there were tears in your eyes. Jesus took your hand, you stood before the Lord. He said, my child, look around you, for great is your reward. Thank you for giving to the Lord.